Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on a less than 500 rating question. So the question is puzzle hunt. The chef and some of his friends are planning to participate in puzzle hunt event. Okay, so there is given a story that the chef and his friend plan was planning to are planning to participate in puzzle hunt. Okay, so the rules of a puzzle hunt state the hunt is intended for teams of 6 to 8. Okay, so the rules of puzzle hunt that it consists of 6 to 8 people. Okay, chef team has n people in total. Are they eligible to participate? Okay, so the chef has n people in total. Okay, including chef there is n people, and you just have to check whether they are eligible to participate or not. So there is given a single input, and you just have to check whether it is eligible to participate or not. So you just have to check. So here is given a input x, and you just have to check if x is greater than equal to 6 and x is less than equals to 8, then you just have to print yes, else you have to print no. Okay, so I hope you understand the question. This is the easy question. You just have to take the input from the user, and then you just have to check it whether it is eligible for not, yes or not. Okay, so let's take input int t and then cnt, and then you have to check if t is if t is less than equals to 6 and t is greater than equals to 8, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, else you just have to do cout no. So let's run this code. Let's submit this. Partially correct. Okay, the 6 is not eligible. It must be less than 6. Okay, it should be greater than 6. Greater than 6 and less than equals to 8. Where is the error? Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.